Male grooming is a constant battle. Fight back. Men's care products you need, when you want them, automatically delivered to your door, saving you time and money.
Keeps your machines running smooth with planned maintenance programs and factory-trained experts. They only use original parts because they know what every good runner already knows.
Look on their face when they know they're in good hands. Well, that's what being a KKP owner's all about. All profits go back to the kids and building them a new school. Pedro and Gabriel think that's pretty awesome. These little guys here think so too. What about you?
Today, top 4 online marketing tips you need. Hola, I am Raul, author of best-selling novel Negotiation Through Peeing on Things and Claiming Them as Your Own. I'm hitting the 3 o'clock wall. Cupcake!
Coming!
Muchas gracias, Cupcake.
Whatever, pig.
Hold on, I'm getting his Skype. Oh, speaking of pigs, Doug!
Raul, did you hear about the new Donate and Learn Online Marketing Expo?
I don't care about wait, what was that?
It's a workshop all about how to generate sales for your business online.
You're on Roncy looking for Jesus. I'm in Leslieville sampling cheese in a restaurant in Cabbage Town. They don't have Coke Zero and it makes you frown. Take me around downtown so I can sip White Russians and mope around. In a dead-end job in Toronto, we cruise for college girls.